Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set color photo full screen in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, showing it to full screen in my cover screen and lock screen. So I'm provide how can easily set up. So at first open your phone apps, look at the right corner, press on three dot and you get settings, then showing it to call background. Tap on get background, main screen and cover screen. Okay, press on background, select any photo video from your gallery. Okay, set as call background. Okay, now set up, and when I'm get call, so that's it.